Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert batteries in Hama Weather device. To do this you'll need 4 AA batteries. Then we can grab, first let's go with the detector, and you can find the battery slot on the back. We can grab it like that and just remove the cover. Inside we can insert our batteries just as it says right here. There's a minus, plus and minus, and we're gonna place it just like that. Then we can close the cover, and as you can see the device is powered on. Then we can move to the weather device. Open the battery slot on the back right here. Then do the same thing, insert the batteries, and here I can warn you that the device will start beeping instantly when we power it on, as it just did, and here's our device powered on. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.